I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So, you might resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours, medyo magdi-deep dive tayo sa mga information. So, kung ano lang po, wag niyo saluhin lahat. No? This might be a general reading, but this might parang go through to a specific energy of someone who's watching me. And this is a general reading. No? So, again, baka konti lang. Kung ano lang yung nagre-resonate, huwag niyong ipilit. Pag wala, wala. Alright? At huwag niyo akong awayan. Pwede ba? No? This is also a timeless reading. So, kung kailan niyo po ito napanood. Divine masculine, 4 boils coming ahead, and divine feminine. Oh, wow. This is a twin flame connection. So, ngayon pala, if you feel like you are not in a twin flame connection with your person, then the reading is not for you. If you don't know about the twin flame connection, then you might want to listen to it. You might resonate and then you're gonna find out, oh, twin flame pala kami. No? It felt like, ito kasi mahirap pag sa twin flame connection eh. You might gonna be with someone that's a totally different, like a polarity of who you are. No? Kasi, sabi nga doon sa the book of what's it called with that Babylonian book? Iisa lang daw talaga ang divine masculine at divine feminine, no? But there is some entity who's kind of parang galit sa pagkakaroon ng power, no? Nitong ginawa, which is a human, no? At ipinaghiwalay ang divine masculine at divine feminine. That becomes Adamos, and I think that there's another name for that, but in biblical terms, it's Adam and Eve. With the turmoils coming, kasi since nagkaroon, kaya ang ano nito, ang mission, no, ng twin flame is to become one again, no? Parang two separated souls to become one again. So this is you and your person, no? Meron kayong connection. This might be it's not just the S line, uso ngayon, but that is kind of like the spirituality line that both of you kind of connects with each other. Kaso, I feel like dahil nga opposite, no? Sabi nila, man is from Mars, women is from Venus. There's a book about that. So meron talagang separation of attitudes, no? Again, polarities. So someone might want to dominate the other person and the other person might not, no? Just a simple glimpse of, or a simple idea, what the twin flame connection looks like is kahit first time mo makita yung tao, alam mong meron siyang connection sa'yo. You just don't know the person's name, the backgrounds, what have you. But then, ma-realize mo na si person, no? Parang meron talaga kayong connection from the past. You just don't know how magical the connection is, pero meron talaga. Nagkakaroon din kayo ng telepathic somehow communication. Let's say, kunyari kilala mo na si person, meron na kayong connection, nag-uusap na kayo, bigla mong sasabihin, oy, pinadalan kita ng pagkain kasi parang feeling ko gutom ka na. So parang, oo nga, gutom na ako. Tapos bigla mo siya maiisip and then all of a sudden, magme-message siya. So ganun strong ang connection ninyo. Even to a time na magtitinginan lang kayo and then magtatawanan kayong bigla kasi naiintindihan nyo na yung isa't isa, no? So parang the vibe is there. But then, with the polarity of it, yun yung nagiging conflict, no? So meron kayong common grounds, but the polarities medyo nagbabanggaan, nagka-clash. With the Ten of Cups, the King of Pentacles, and the Eight of Swords. So parang sinasabi ng isa dito, again, whether this is you, whether this is your person, you might want to interchange the roles. What I am reading naman is the dynamic, alright? Parang nung simula nung nagkaroon tayo ng relationship, wala naman akong ipinapakitang hindi maganda, pero the more na gusto ko nga kaya ko nga ipinapakita sa'yo yung mga ganitong bagay is for you to understand who I really am. Pero kasi with the Eight of Swords in here, parang ano pa bang gusto mo? Parang nasasakal ako, no? Parang meron nagrereklamo dito na the relationship becomes toxic. The relationship should be kind of broadening, no? My space, pero parang pinaliliit. And that's what the other person don't want. Either meron ditong mga selos, palaging selosan, no? With the Queen of Pentacles and the Page of Wands, especially siguro na pag-aawayan dito yung selos about someone is talking to the other person or to other people, kahit wala naman, kahit walang rason, no? Or manapadaan sa wall, natitigan, and then, let's say, uy, ang ganda naman yan, nakabikini, blah, 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 no? So, kasi selos, doon pa lang. Para sasabihin niya, hindi ko naman hawak ang algorithm, no? Bigla lang siyang sumusulpot. Pero kung bigla siyang sumulpot, so ibig sabihin, hindi mo lang siya isang beses ginawa. Kasi kung algorithm ito, parang ito at ito ang lalabas sa ano mo. So which means, tumambay ka rin for a little while. No? Wala lang, napaisip lang ako. Tumambay ka rin for a little while doon sa page na, tama ba ako doon? Let me know. But with the Three of Pentacles and the Eight of Pentacles, I feel like may pinagseselosan tayo, no? Sa trabaho. I think our person feels like hindi ako makakilos ng maayos, lalo na sa trabaho kasi nahihiya ako dahil meron kang pinagseselosan. Is there someone that probably someone talk to a co-worker? Kasi parang nahihiya ngayon isang tao dito. Again, whether this is you or your person, parang nakakahiya kasi hindi naman dapat siya nadadamay. No? Nadamay na yung ibang tao at nakakahiya kasi we're professionals there. Parang feeling kasi nung isa is wala na sa lugar ang pagseselos. So, with the Tower, the King of Wands, and the Seven of Swords. Totoo nga bang wala? Kasi Seven of Swords showed up. Seven of Swords represents a thief in the night. represents something fishy is going around. So, ito nga yung sinasabi ko. Since you are already a twin flame, meron kayong connection ng twin flame. So, bago niya pa inisip or bago pa niya gawin, medyo may idea na yung isa. Mali ba napakinggan ng isa yung kanyang intuition or intuitive kind of side dahil walang amoy, no? Walang usok kung walang apoy. So, someone really feels something fishy. And I can even smell it from here, the Seven of Swords. Let's clarify. The Knight of Cups and the Ten of Swords, which I feel like someone wanted to take over of your role. Someone wanted to take over your position with your person. So merong someone here is slowly moving to catch your person's attention. And parang, kumbaga sa strong foundation, no? Kung meron kayong strong foundation ni person, ito ang anay, no? Nasisira ng strong foundation ninyo, which I feel like the tower is already here, which I feel like there is someone wanting to break your marriage. That I'm not sure of kung anong klaseng tao ito. Basta alam ko hindi siya masaya. Kasi siguro, no, meron din itong experience, parang gumaganti na lang ito, or talagang hindi siya masaya sa buhay niya, maninira siya ng buhay ng iba, para at least, pare-parehas kayong hindi maganda ang buhay, hindi maganda ang love life. So, there's really some toxicity with this person, and I don't like yung ganong attitude. Pero kasi si person, hindi niya masyadong naiintindihan. So parang feeling niya, kailangan lang ng tulong, kailangan lang ng attention, no? Or baka kasi gumagawa ng ibang paraan, lalo na kapag dahan-dahan na itong ginagawa. So there's really something not really good is happening between your person's workplace with the Tower, the Seven of Cups, and the Four of Cups. Actually, kung si person naman, hindi niya masyadong pinapansin. Ayaw niyang palakihin. Yeah, siguro we can say that your person just thinking of it as, siguro this might be a professional needs, hindi ito mangyayari, kaya kong pigilan, no? Ayoko naman maging, kumbaga, KJ, or ayokong matag as, weirdo. So, sumasakay ako in a way. Pero kasi yung pagiging open ni person, it felt like that will become a parang loophole para makapasok itong taong ito. No? With the Ace of Pentacles and the Three of Swords. So, with the Three of Swords kasi dito parang meron ng pain. So, either nagsimula na, although maaagapan mo. Pero kasi the mere fact na meron ng somewhat, no, bahid ng cheating. Cheating kasi may vary from each person, no. For me, as a person, cheating for me is when you started to delete messages, no, para hindi makita ng partner. That's already cheating, at least for me. Bakit ko nasabi yan? Kasi meron na akong mga nare-read na ibang tao, of course. Pero kasi iba ang definition ng cheating sa kanya. And I was shocked, no? Na-shook talaga ako sa definition ng cheating niya. Kasi ang sabi niya, as long as umuwi yung asawa niya sa kanya, even to a point, no, na she even scheduled yung she even hired or rented, no, a motel for them para magkaroon sila ng intimate moment, no. I think that she even watched them doing the act. Hindi pa yun cheating. Hindi ko alam kung ano din yung tumatakbo sa isip niya. Of course, I cannot question it. But for her, as long as kasama niyang umuwi, that's not cheating. So again, magkakaiba tayo ng boundaries when it comes to cheating. Ako, message lang. No? Si ate ko, which wala namang pangalan. Medyo extreme ang kanyang definition of cheating. Well, kasama naman niya umuwi. So, hindi yun cheating as long as alam niya yung nangyayari. So, I think that that's the idea of it. Huwag ka lang magsisinungaling. No? Parang kukonsintihin kita. But with the Ace of Pentacles, let's go back to the reading with the Ace of Pentacles. Yun nga, nangyari. Kasi for me, kung meron na kayo mga conversations and you're removing it, deleting it, for you to think na I will be hurt, well, that's cheating. Kasi alam mong masasaktan ako. And to the mere fact na you're still doing it and masasaktan ako, that's cheating. So, I feel like with this, paagapan naman, no? Kasi nga, I feel like you're already doing something to stop, preventing this from happening. Pero, kumbaga nakapagsimula na, the pain is already there. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pero bago po yan, gusto kong ipaalam sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV. Nagla-live po tayo doon, no? So, pwede kayong sumali. And if you have some questions with the reading, sasagutin ko bakit dalawa ang channel. Ang una kasi is Babaylan TV. But that is for our international audiences. So, after a year or two, sinabi ko bakit hindi gumawa ng Tagalog channel, no? To cater for the Filipino community. Kaya nagkaroon ng Timeless Tarot. Hindi ko pwede pagsamahin kasi malilito, lalo na yung mga nasa international channel. Yung mga international audience. Bakit ganito? No? Bakit may ibang language? So, dalawa ang channel. It just so happened that yung nauna talaga is Babaylan TV and puro, that's actually English. Itong Timeless Tarot, ako din naman yun. No? But that is for, again, for the national, for Filipino audiences. Ayan. So, sa description box ng video na ito, kung meron kayong mga tanong, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So, again, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Sagittarius, Taurus, Pisces, Leo, Cancer, Scorpio, Virgo, Capricorn. Yeah. Did I just mention Leo? About Taurus, Virgo, paulit-ulit po sila. This is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading.
Yelling the stars alive.